Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best RV battery options for reliable power. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5.
LiFePO4 12V 200Ah battery pack with BMS for off-grid solar RVs. High-capacity LiFePO4 battery pack with 12V output and 200Ah capacity, featuring built-in BMS for optimal performance and safety. Ideal for off-road adventures, off-grid solar setups, and powering RV campers without tax concerns.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4.
LifePoly new 12V 100Ah lithium iron phosphate battery with BMS, cutting-edge LiFePO4 battery offering 12V output and 100Ah capacity, complete with a built-in BMS for efficient management. Perfect for solar applications, powering RVs, and storing home energy without tax obligations.
At number 3.
12V 20Ah LiFePO4 deep cycle rechargeable battery with BMS, compact yet powerful 12V LiFePO4 battery, providing 20Ah capacity and deep cycle capabilities. Integrated BMS ensures over 4,000 lifetime cycles, making it ideal for RVs, marine use, and off-grid solar applications.
Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. NewlyF Po4 Battery Range, 100Ah to 400Ah with BMS. Versatile LiFePO4 battery lineup offering various voltages and capacities, 100Ah to 400Ah. Each battery features a built-in BMS for seamless integration with inverters, solar setups, and RV power systems, all without tax concerns. At number 1. New Grade A LiFePO4 battery packs for RVs and boats. Premium grade LiFePO4 battery packs in multiple voltages and capacities, 100Ah to 400Ah, boasting grade A quality and built-in BMS for superior performance. Designed for RVs, boats, and solar energy systems, ensuring reliable power with no tax worries.